Hey everyone, welcome back to RGB Web Tech. Today, we are diving deep into a topic, types of learning in AI, that's shaping the future of technology, artificial intelligence, AI. You've probably heard about AI in self-driving cars, facial recognition, and even those cool recommendations you get on Netflix and YouTube. But have you ever wondered how AI learns to do all that? Well, just like us humans, AI learns in different ways. In this video, we are going to explore the four main types of learning in AI. Supervised learning, learning with a teacher. Unsupervised learning, finding hidden patterns. Reinforcement learning, learning from experience. Semi-supervised learning, the best of both worlds. Stick around till the end because I'll be sharing some real-world examples that might just blow your mind. Supervised learning, learning with a teacher. First up, we have supervised learning. Think of this as learning with a teacher who shows you the right answers. Here, AI is trained using labeled data, meaning each piece of information is tagged with what it is. For example, imagine you are teaching an AI to recognize cats and dogs. You show thousands of images, some labeled as cat and others as dog. Over time, the AI learns that cats usually have pointy ears and whiskers, while dogs might have longer noses. Real-world applications. Spam email detection. AI filters your emails by learning from examples marked as spam or not spam. Face recognition. Your phone unlocks because AI knows it's you from labeled images. Supervised learning is super accurate, but there's a catch. It needs a lot of labeled data, which can be time-consuming to collect. Unsupervised learning, finding hidden patterns. Next, we have unsupervised learning. Here's where things get interesting. Unlike supervised learning, there's no teacher. The AI is given a bunch of raw, unorganized data and told to figure it out on its own. Imagine you hand over a box of mixed-up Lego pieces to a kid without any instructions. They'll start grouping similar pieces together just by observing them. That's exactly what AI does. It finds hidden patterns. Real-world applications. Netflix and YouTube recommendations. It groups users based on their viewing habits and suggests similar content. Market segmentation. Businesses use it to understand different types of customers, like budget shoppers versus premium buyers. It's powerful for finding patterns, but sometimes it can get things wrong since there's no label to guide it. Reinforcement learning, learning from experience. Moving on, we have reinforcement learning. This one's pretty cool because it's like trial and error learning. The AI learns by doing, getting rewards for good actions and penalties for mistakes. Think of it like training a dog. When the dog listens to your command, it gets a treat. When it doesn't, it gets nothing. Over time, the dog learns what to do to get that reward. AI does the same. It tries different things, learns from its mistakes, and gets better over time. Real-world applications. Self-driving cars. The AI learns to drive safely by practicing and avoiding accidents. Video game AI. It learns game strategies by playing repeatedly and learning from its losses. Reinforcement learning is perfect for tasks that require sequential decision-making, like robotics and financial trading. Semi-supervised learning, the best of both worlds. Last but not least, we have semi-supervised learning. This method is like a mix of supervised and unsupervised learning. It uses a small amount of labeled data and a large amount of unlabeled data to train the AI. Imagine teaching a child a few words and then letting them guess new ones based on what they know. The AI does the same. Real-world applications. Medical diagnosis. AI learns from a few labeled X-rays and then analyzes thousands more to detect diseases. Speech recognition. It improves its understanding of spoken language using limited labeled samples. This method is faster and less costly than pure supervised learning. So, to wrap it up. Supervised learning, like learning with a teacher. Unsupervised learning, finding hidden patterns on its own. Reinforcement learning, learning by doing, just like training a pet. Semi-supervised learning, a smart mix of both labeled and unlabeled data. These four learning methods are driving AI forward, making our tech smarter and more efficient every single day. Which type of AI learning do you find the most interesting? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.